Well, in principle, I would say that KNAPP's product portfolio offers solutions for any kind of retailers network. So we are able to provide solution in the case picking and shop network approach. We are providing solutions in the online field with e-grocery, and we also provide solutions where we combine both channels, so online and offline, as well as, for example, everything which is directly linked to the point of sales, for example, like last mile solutions and micro-fulfillment solutions. On top of that, we also have smaller gadgets which can enhance our customers' operation basically without a large-scale project, but we can, for example, introduce keys of genomics, where we are jointly with the customer creating more efficiencies regarding the master data, because we are also collecting master data which are relevant for our automation attributes. So we are collecting, for example, not only length with height, but also collecting data like crushability, sensitivity of our products. In my opinion, a value chain tech partner has to fully understand the value chains of our clients. So we have to think and help our clients to find those points where we want to enhance the efficiency along individual processes. Additionally, we have to have as KNAPP the most competitive and the widest range of portfolio available to support our clients in these individual steps along their value chain. And as a third part, I think it's important to truly highlight that we have to be a partner on our customer side, not only at the beginning of the project, but throughout the whole life cycle of each project. But I think within the food retail industry, we do have a couple of differentiators compared to other industries. Mainly being it that we have to deal with multiple different temperature zones. So it's not uncommon that we have to design warehouses which have up to 4 different temperature zones, from 25 degrees down to minus 28 degrees, for example. So that is quite unique. And if we think about what we usually see in our typical grocery stores, first of all, it's not only groceries, so it's also fashion, it's healthcare, it can be anything. And also the assortment changes quite often. So we have, for example, Christmas periods, Easter periods, and therefore we have to adjust also our concepts accordingly to that. In my role within the company, I am one of the key contact persons to the customer. So I take care from the first time they get in touch with us as a company, of course jointly with our colleagues from the subsidiary. But in the end, we are guiding them through the whole tendering phase, as a concept solution finding phase, until, of course, a handover to our realization department. And we stay in touch with the clients throughout the whole process. And of course, we are managing all of the internal teams, as such complex processes require many of different disciplines, and therefore quite often a larger team. I think there is no such thing as the one and only accomplishment within my role, but I think it's every time an exciting experience to guide and join customers in their evolution of implementing new solutions, new ideas. So from seeing some concepts and sketches on a drawing board until a live operation and the customer operating our site successfully, I think that's every time a huge exciting experience. I think if I'm stranded lonely on an island, I would choose the Big Easy robot out of 2 reasons. First one is maybe he's able to help me catching some food or fish or whatever on the island with the grasping point detection. And secondly, as our robots are talking to each other in the cloud and learning from each other, he might just be able to call a colleague of his in another country and reach out for help.